What's up, YouTube? Got another video for you guys today. This is a quick video. I'm going to show you how to reset your tire pressure monitoring system on your W211 Mercedes. So basically, we had some crazy hot weather the other day and my TPMS light came on saying that the tire pressure was incorrect. I went ahead and I did check all of my tire pressure with the actual tire pressure gauge. It's exactly as it should be, 32 on each tire on the front, 34 in the back. So I'm thinking that there was just an issue with the pressure, being that the day before was like 75 degrees here and then it was like 100 the next day. So like big difference in temperature. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's really simple. All right, so you're looking at the dash. What you wanna do, you're gonna take your key, rotate it once more. Do not start the car, just to the point where everything's on the dash, right? Clear your messages. You want to be on this screen, your temperature screen, right? If you're not, just rotate through with your buttons here until you get to your temperature screen. So I'm on my temperature screen. Now that I'm on my temperature screen, I'm going to come to this button here. I'm going to press it up, and then you'll see right here, tire pressure monitor active, menu R button. So then we're gonna move over to your reset button here on your left, sorry. Press that, and then it's gonna say reset tire pressure monitor. If you go to the plus over here, it will do it automatically. Boom. And that's it, it's done. And now I'm gonna start my car. All right guys, so super short, simple video. If you like this, go ahead and just like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. We're trying to get to 750 subscribers. I think we're like at 703 right now, so I really appreciate if you like the video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.